Hello, leaders. A college student really want to make your career in finance but really confused and stuck about what to do and where to start? Or a working professional already working in the industry and stuck with a job and company with no promotion and low salary? Well, don't worry, because your consultant Sreejit is here with 5 best finance degrees in the world which will help you to boost your career in the finance world. If you are someone in your teenage 20s or late 20s, please don't miss this video because this is the one for you with complete knowledge about the degrees. Ready? With a diary and a pen? Let's start. So, our first degree is CMA US. If you are someone from India, then probably you would be wondering about what the devil is CMA US is, right? Well, let me tell you, this is the US version of CMA called Certified Management Accountant, and this is one of the best finance courses out there which teaches you core financial knowledge. This is a two-part examination course and which can be completed in 6 to 9 months. The exam pattern will be 100 MCQs and 2 essay questions for both parts, and the exams are taken in every 2 months in every quarters. The future CMUS is recognized in more than 118 countries, and the starting package in India is between somewhere 6 to 7 lakh CTC if you hold relevant skills, obviously, and can go up to 20 to 30 lakhs over time if you do well in your job. The job roles for CME US are management consulting, investment banking, private equity, credit analyst, equity analyst, and many more. Fees will be, it will take around 1 to 1.5 lakhs. Now, note, you can complete your 2 parts whenever you want, right after you pass your 12th. Yes, standard 12th. Yes, standard 12th. But to get your CMA license, you will need to have a bachelor's degree and 2 years of work experience in the finance field. Well, you can start working right after you qualify 2 parts. So coming on to our second degree, that is CAFA or Certified Financial Analyst, and it is a 3-level program, and the best part about this is you can start earning right after passing level 1 exam. Of course, you will need to pass all 3 levels to call yourself a CFA. Coming on to the eligibility criteria, unlike CMA, CFA has an eligibility criteria, and that is you need to be at least in your final year of graduation to appear for the exams. The exam pattern is for level 1, it happens every quarter and it consists of only MCQs. For level 2, it happens every 6 months and it consists of subjective and objective combined. And for level 3, it also happens in every 6 months and it is a fully subjective paper. Now coming to the job role and future, if you are someone who has just passed level 1, then you can expect up to 4 to 5 lakhs. Level 2, you can expect 8 to 10 lakhs, and if you have passed all 3 levels, then sky is the limit. And the job roles in the future are portfolio manager, investment banking, hedge funds, and many more. CFA can take at least 2 to 3 hours to complete depending on your pace, and the fees would be around 3 to 3.5 lakhs. Now if you're someone still watching right now and it is being helpful for you, then a sub to the channel would be really grateful for me. Now coming on to the next, our third and our next degree, that is CPA. CPA or Certified Public Accountant is the US version of CA, but the difference is it is widely accepted throughout the world and the career options are really very high. The academic structure is it consists of only 4 exams and 4 subjects, means 1 paper, 1 exam. And the first paper will be FAR, Financial Accounting and Reporting. Second will be Auditing and Attestation. Third will be Business Environment and Concepts, and fourth will be Regulation. The eligibility criteria about this is a bit twisted about CFA, not CFA, sorry, CPA, and that is you will need to have a post graduation or 150 credit hours of semester study in finance. Now let me explain what 150 credit hours is. Say you are doing a 3-year bachelor's degree which has 6 semesters, right? So every semester adds 20 credit hours, means 120 credit hours after you complete your bachelor's. So along with that, either you will need a post graduation in the accounts and finance field, or you will need another course which will add 30 credit hours. Now if you have a post graduation, then that adds 80 more credit hours to your semester study, so it will be really great. Now the duration for this is it you can pass all the 4 exams in 1 year, or obviously depending on how much time you give every day to this thing. And the fees and exam structure is the fees will cost about approx 2 lakhs, and the exams are on demand exams, means you can appear for the exams anytime you want throughout the year. Now if you are someone who is probably thinking that where do I do CMA US, CFM, CPA? These are all US courses. Now let me tell you, there are a few organizations which help you in this, and the best two which I know is Miles and Zell. And so yeah, you can try them out and they will help you out with everything. Coming on to the fourth degree, that is Masters in Finance. If you're from India, then don't get misguided and think it's MCOM. No, Masters in Finance is a different thing. It needs you to do it from a B school. The exam pattern and course duration completely depends on the B school you are doing from. Like in India, it will take you about 2 years, but in UK it will take you a year, only 1 year. The fee structure will obviously remain high, but the career options are like sky's the limit. That is a really good course, really good degree if you are someone who is trying to make your career in the finance. Now, coming on to our last degree, that is the boss of all degrees, and that is MBA. Okay, no, it's not like other courses won't make you a CFO, but MBA is like a cheat code. Means it will take you faster to your dream, right? So if you have an MBA in finance from a reputed B school, then not the sky but universe will be the limit. And this is the only reason the eligibility criteria is so tough. You will need a bachelor's degree and CAT, GMAT, MAT, SNAP, etc., depending on what B school wants in which you are trying to apply. It varies from B school to B schools, of course. The fees will be very high, but trust me, if you can get into, say, IIM, ABC, or Harvard, or other reputed B schools in the world, then no one can touch you. MBA is the only cheat code to success, but to get a MBA, you will have to go through many hardships, and if you can do that, you will be untouchable. So this was it for the video. If you enjoyed, then like and subscribe and share it to someone who is stuck and don't know what to do. And I'll meet you in another video. This is your consultant Sreejit, signing off.